Look at these eggs, 1, 2, 3. What's inside? Let's open and see. Crack them open, here we go. M, X, B, hello, hello. Monkey swinging up high, swinging up high. Nothing X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, dong. Then B is for ball, bouncing so strong. Plum surprise eggs, oh what fun. Learning letters one by one. Crack, crack, what's inside? Let's learn letters side by side. More egg shaking, tap, tap, tap. What's inside? Let's take a nap. Crack them open, here we go. T, O, J, hello, hello. T is for train, chugging so fast. O is for orange, juicy to the last. J is for jump, let's go high. Green, blue, and yellow too. Shake them up, 1, 2, 2. Crack them open, here we go. F, R, Z, hello, hello. F is for fish, swimming so free. R is for rocket, zoom in to see. J is for zebra, black and white. Eggs are wiggling, 1, 2, 3. Which letter is waiting for me? Crack them open, here we go. C, U, Y, hello, hello. C is for cat, purring so sweet. U is for umbrella under the sea. Y is for yacht, sailing so neat. Look at these eggs, big and small. Let's open them and find them all. Crack them open, here we go. G, H, V, hello, hello. G is for goat, climbing up high. H is for hat, wear it with style. V is for violin, playing a tune. So many letters, what's next in line? Shake, shake, surprise time. Crack them open, here we go. D, K, N, hello, hello. D is for dog, barking with cheer. K is for kite, flying up here. N is for nest, birds hold it dear. 3 more eggs, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, open with glee. Crack them open, here we go. L, P, W, hello, hello. Two more eggs, what will they be? A special surprise, let's